SBS World News.
The White House says it expects the US president to make a full recovery from COVID-19. Joe Biden tested positive to coronavirus as the highly contagious BA.5 variant sweeps through the United States. Double vaccinated and twice boosted, Mr. Biden says he has mild symptoms and is being treated with antiviral medication and will remain in isolation for at least 5 days.
Hey folks, guess you heard this morning I tested positive for COVID.
Joe Biden broke the news of his infection himself on social media. The White House keen to reassure Americans.
President Biden is currently experiencing mild symptoms, mostly a runny nose and fatigue, with an occasional dry cough.
He is breathing well, his oxygen level is normal, and he's, I was going to say resting comfortably. He's actually not resting comfortably. He's working comfortably in his residence.
Just yesterday, the 79-year-old released his climate plan. Maskless, he spoke to reporters.
What's your take on the next steps for COVID, Mr. President? Cases are going up. What should the country be doing right now?
Getting vaccinated.
The president is double vaccinated and twice boosted. The White House medical unit conducting contact tracing.
I tested negative this morning. I am going to keep my schedule. I am, according to CDC guidelines, I am keeping masks.
The VP also testing negative.
This morning he and I spoke by phone. He is in good spirits.
Mr. Biden's contemporaries wishing him well.
The symptoms are light. I hope they continue to be so. That was my experience, and I hope that that's the case for the president.
Joe Biden is taking the antiviral drug Paxlovid, despite concerns some patients experience a rebound of their symptoms once they stop taking it.
Paxlovid is working really well at preventing serious illness, rebound or no rebound, and that's why he was offered it, and that's why the president took it.
But some specialists are concerned.
With somebody that's the advanced stage that President Biden is, he's visibly frail. One needs to worry and take it quite seriously.
The majority of the deaths we're seeing in people over 75. So he is over 75. He has some health issues.
Donald Trump had COVID in October 2020 and was hospitalised for 3 nights. Experts say President Biden has done well to dodge COVID for 2.5 years.
I would just say, imagine the outcome, how different the outcome would be if he had gotten infected in 2020.